Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world.
And oh my wow, did we ever dream big. From the moment we saw this place, we knew this was it. This was going to be our forever home, and we had great plans for it.
So are you guys as overwhelmed as we are right now? Welcome to week 52 of Flipping the Farm.
That night we went home and started making plans. This is just a little blueprint that we drew up, and we kind of knew what we wanted from the get-go, so it really didn't change too terribly much from that point forward. We did have to make a few adjustments, but you'll see here it was all worth it. Lots of sweat, blood, and tears were poured into this place over the last year. Looking at these pictures, it is overwhelming to think, oh my goodness, we're going to change this place. We're going to actually live in this space and make it a beautiful place for us and our kids and our grandkids to spend time together, to spend Christmases together, to celebrate birthdays, to just have our church family over and involved
in our lives.
I did my best to capture every aspect of this place, and yet I missed out on a few opportunities. Outside that door there was an outdoor space, a patio, and now it is a spare room for us in a closet. And, just right here, through that doorway led out onto the front porch, and now that's Mike's office. So we're not going to show his office today, but just know that I'll show you those pictures in a future video. Every house that Mike and I have ever lived in, we had the opportunity to renovate it and just add special touches to kind of make it our own. But you guys, this was incredible. This was so much fun to pretty much build it from the ground up. Yes, the shell was here and somewhat of a blueprint, but we got to totally customize this and just do the things that we've always dreamed of doing. Just this bedroom, for instance. Our last house, we never spent time in our bedroom. We didn't like our bedroom. It was just not a functional bedroom and closet and bathroom. It was a beautiful home, don't get me wrong, but it just wasn't what we always wanted. So it was so much fun to make it our own here. We love our bedroom now. This bathroom is just beyond anything we could have ever dreamed or thought we would have ever had. It is perfect. It is totally functional, and every ounce of space in this bathroom and house alone gets utilized. Okay, so you've seen some before and after pictures now. Here I'm going to just do a little walkthrough of several of the rooms and let you see the before and afters and the whole 9 yards. I mean, this is it, you guys. This is everything. Again, just a little overwhelming at times, but knowing what we know about flipping houses, we knew we could do it. We knew if we put our minds to it, put our hearts into it, we could do it. There's a loft space up there at the top that's not quite finished out yet. That's for the grandkids, and none of them are old enough just yet to enjoy that space. So we'll get to that eventually.
I know I say we a lot. There were other hands involved in this project as well. Our friends Kelly and Rhonda were a huge help to us. My mom was a huge help in getting us packed up and moved, and all those fun things.
Mike and I actually go back and watch some of the vlogs occasionally, and we just like to reminisce on the fact that that tile that was there on the floor, for instance, using the tile buster, and our friend Kelly was here and was in on that, and we laugh about that a lot because that little machine could really wear you out. But wow, this is just incredible to me. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Mike and I sit around and look at the place, and not a day goes by that we aren't just grateful for what we've been blessed with and the talents and abilities that we've both been blessed with to be able to do what we did here in this house.
I know I mentioned this earlier, but our bedroom is, again, just one of our favorite spaces. We don't mind being in there anymore. It's just a cozy, nice, simple space, and we love it so much. The closet was a lot of fun to design. It's still not complete. I still need to paint the shelving and the little cabinet unit, but we're loving the organization of it all and just being able to see our clothes. I told you earlier that our last closet just was not functional. Well, this one is totally functional. And again, a place and space that we totally customized and love. And the bathroom. I cannot say enough about this bathroom. It is just completely spa-like and just a relaxing, enjoyable bathroom with beautiful natural light. I think Mike and I will both agree that it has been so great having this spare bathroom, laundry room, mudroom combo. We, in the beginning, kind of waffled back and forth a little bit about this space, but in the end, I think we both just really enjoy this, and it's been so great having the extra space, especially with our house guests, Curry and Braden and Greenlee, being here. They've just got to have their own private bathroom area, and that's been great. And as for the black tile that you see, the black and white tile there, you know, that was supposed to be my kitchen backsplash from the get-go. And I'm so thankful I changed my mind and ended up going with the white subway tile in the kitchen backsplash, because I think the black tile here in this bathroom, laundry room space was the perfect pop. The pantry, I think we're still trying to figure out. We went with these baker's racks in the beginning and didn't want to do anything too super permanent until we were dead set on what we wanted. I've already rearranged it so many times, and I'm sure we will rearrange it and customize it again soon. It seriously is like a dream waking up every day, opening our bedroom door and walking out into this beautiful kitchen, my dream kitchen. It has any and everything that I could have ever wanted. And, you know, the house is not totally done. We still have little things to do, like I mentioned earlier, finishing out the loft. So that means adding the ladder, putting a barn door slider where you see the curtain right now, and just finishing up small projects. You know, we still want to build our dining table, and that will be with the wood that we took off of the old barn, along with that barn door. We still need to build a little riser for our TV to set up on. So it'll just come with time, and we're patient like that. Well, I try to be anyways. But one of these days we'll have it all together. And then when we do, we'll hopefully show you the finished product when it's all said and done. I think it's safe to say that things look a little different from day one.
Happy birthday to the farm. Happy birthday to the farm. Isn't it crazy? 1 year ago, just basically on a day like this.
Yeah, we were out looking at the farm, and actually we had been to the title company and signed all the paperwork, and we drove straight here and started doing all those videos that I showed you earlier. Yeah.
And Brace, Karen did a great job giving you a recap. I know she's got a few rooms in the house that are not on the video. One of them was my office. It's because later on I'm going to do a reveal of my office.
When it's done, when it's not organized.
It's not organized, it's not clean, it's a trash pit, but I know where everything's at, so that's all that matters. And then she's going to do
my studio. I'm saving that. Back when we first started the farm, I introduced you guys to my studio and told you all about it. And so I want to do like a studio reveal because it is in the works. Mike has built me an amazing island, and
we built it.
Okay, we built an amazing island, and it's so fun, and I've already been in there creating some fun things, so I can't wait to show you all that. So, and then our spare bedroom is being utilized by Curry and Braden and Greenlee, and I didn't want to intrude on their space and video all through that. So I will show you that at a later date. But overall, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
What a journey. What a journey. And we still have lots of things to do and to happen and to finish up. And I don't even think Karen videoed any of that, but I did some more silicone caulking and things like that.
Yeah, you'll see all of the work that we did at the farm this week during week 52 will actually be shown to you next week in week 53. I'll just roll it all together because we did work this week.
Yeah, so, a few things.
And out at Curry and Braden's house.
And it's cold right now. So.
But while we were watching some of the video, like going back through it, it's a little bit emotional. Like Absolutely. I found myself tearing up a lot thinking about, wow, we did this together. And I mentioned in the video that it wasn't just us always. Kelly and Rhonda were a big help to us. We hired out some things that we couldn't do and some things that we could do. I just wanted them done faster. So, but I think we make a pretty good team.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We do a lot of fun stuff together. So we are thankful for you guys, thankful for all of the encouragement.
See, we cry a lot, I told you.
Because we needed that. we needed that. We needed to hear good words and positive words. And there were times when it was a struggle. We thought, man, we'll never get in here, and then there was setback after setback, and it all worked out the way it's supposed to.
There's some days we didn't want to wake up and come over here because it was either really cold or really hot. I know I whined about the heat a lot, which I love the heat versus the cold. I think something else we failed to mention was we got to see in this last year a lot of really cool things happen in our lives this year. The announcements of our grandbabies, Curry and Braden's baby Greenlee, and then Hunter and Zoe's baby Hallie, and then Colby and Alyssa moving back, and just getting to have Weston here at the farm and be in our lives all the time. Yes. It's been so wonderful.
Absolutely. Couldn't draw it up any better.
Yeah. And, God's been good to us through this whole thing.
Absolutely. He is good all the time. And we're thankful for that. Thankful for you guys. Thankful for, all things. And looking forward to years and years and years of excitement here on the farm and different things. As soon as the weather gets better, get outside and start doing crazy stuff out here and landscape and fix things.
That's going to be amazing.
Clean up even more things.
Getting this place landscaped. But we want to encourage you guys to keep on watching. We're not done. We're going to continue flipping this farm. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let us hear from you. Tell us what you think about this whole journey and what else you would like to see. So thanks again for watching, and we will see you next week.
That's right. God bless.
Happy anniversary, flipping the farm.
Birthday.
Birthday, anniversary.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's an anniversary.
Once again, we really thank you guys for watching. If you haven't gone back and started from the beginning, we encourage you to do so. Thanks again for following along on our journey and our dreams.